Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the secrets to a healthier and happier life. Today, we're peeling back the layers to reveal the incredible health benefits of onions, and why you should make them a staple in your diet. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Onions have been a culinary cornerstone for centuries, not just for their flavor but also for their impressive health benefits. So, why should we incorporate onions into our diet? Let's dive into the fantastic reasons. First, heart health. Onions play a significant role in promoting heart health through various mechanisms. The sulfur-containing compounds and antioxidants present in onions contribute to cardiovascular well-being. These compounds may enhance blood vessel function, helping to maintain the elasticity and integrity of blood vessels. By doing so, onions potentially reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, including heart attacks and strokes. Moreover, the antioxidants in onions, such as quercetin, have been linked to blood pressure regulation. Quercetin may help lower blood pressure levels, promoting a healthy blood flow and reducing strain on the cardiovascular system. Additionally, onions may contribute to the management of cholesterol levels. The antioxidants in onions may aid in lowering levels of LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol, commonly referred to as bad cholesterol, thus supporting heart health and reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. Anti-inflammatory effects. Onions contain compounds, with quercetin being a prominent example, that possess potent anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response by the body to injury or harmful stimuli. But chronic inflammation is associated with various health conditions, including cardiovascular diseases, arthritis, and certain cancers. The anti-inflammatory effects of quercetin in onions may help mitigate inflammation, potentially providing relief for conditions associated with chronic inflammation. Reducing inflammation is crucial not only for managing existing health issues, but also for preventing the development of inflammatory-related diseases. By incorporating onions into the diet, individuals may support their body in maintaining a balanced inflammatory response, contributing to overall health and well-being. Liver health. The sulfur compounds found in onions play a crucial role in supporting liver health. The liver is a vital organ responsible for detoxifying the body. By breaking down and eliminating toxins, onions aid in this detoxification process. By promoting the production of enzymes involved in various metabolic pathways within the liver, these sulfur compounds enhance the liver's ability to neutralize and eliminate harmful substances from the body. This detoxification support is essential for overall health, as a well-functioning liver contributes to improved metabolism, nutrient utilization, and the elimination of potentially harmful substances, ultimately promoting optimal physiological function. Bone health. Onions play a role in supporting bone health by providing essential minerals such as calcium and phosphorus. These minerals are critical for maintaining the strength and density of bones. Calcium is a key component of bone structure, contributing to bone density and preventing conditions like osteoporosis, which is characterized by weakened and porous bones. Including onions in the diet ensures a supply of these vital minerals, thereby contributing to overall bone health and reducing the risk of bone-related issues. This is particularly important as bones undergo continuous remodeling throughout life, requiring a sufficient intake of minerals to support this process and maintain optimal bone strength. Skin health. The antioxidants present in onions, coupled with their anti-inflammatory properties, make them beneficial for promoting healthier skin. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which can contribute to premature aging and various skin issues. Quercetin, one of the prominent antioxidants in onions, plays a role in neutralizing free radicals that can damage skin cells. Some individuals also use onion extract topically for various skin conditions. Onion extract is believed to have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it a potential remedy for skin concerns such as acne, scars, and inflammation. While more research is needed in this area, the antioxidant content in onions suggests a positive impact on overall skin health. And there you have it, the compelling reasons why you should embrace onions as a dietary superhero. If you enjoyed learning about the health benefits of onions, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into a healthier lifestyle. Now, I want to hear from you. How do you incorporate onions into your diet? And have you noticed any health improvements? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.